Hi guys, welcome to Tech Design Hub. Today on Tech Design Hub, we will be giving you helpful tips on how to get into the tech world. You would agree with me that there are a lot of misconceptions that says some professions are only fit for men. Are you a woman? Would you like to get into the tech industry but don't know how? Here are some useful tips that would help you get into the tech world. Let's get to it. The first thing you should ask yourself is, why do I want to go into the tech industry? That is, what is your reason? What is the exact reason or reasons you have chosen to go into the tech industry? You need to know your reason. So our number one tip is back up your reason with a goal. After you must have known the reason why you've chosen to go into the tech industry, you need to back up that reason with a goal. That way you would be able to achieve a whole lot and you would be satisfied in that field. Backing up your reasons with a goal. Having a reason is not enough. You need to attach a goal to whatever motivations you have. It gives a sense of direction. Although motivations and goals may change along the way, you would need to have any at all to help keep your focus when the journey gets tough. Our second tip is learn about where you would fit. You need to learn, you need to make your research about where you would fit. The tech industry is so large and it's full of a lot of creative people. So you need to know where best suits you. Just diving into the tech as a whole would get you lost or might get you lost. It's good to make a little research on the many parts of it and see which best fits your time and your personality. Specifically, your personality. If you don't know where to start from, or you don't know where best suits you, or you don't know where you'd fit in, we advise that you pick an on-demand skill and start learning. The third tip is learn the basic skills. Into the tech industry, you need to know the basics. The basics is very important. When you decide which aspect you have to learn, it is best you start from the basics. For instance, web development experts advise that learning HTML, CSS, and then JavaScript is the right learning flow. There's a hierarchy of learning when it comes to tech professionals. So, ensure that whatever you're learning from the scratch. Very important. Our number 4 tip is take up mini projects. Taking up a mini project is the best way to ensure that whatever you have learned sticks to your memory. These mini projects can help you land a job as it is a proof of your abilities to your employer. Our 5th tip is ask lots of questions. You need to always be in the know, so you need to ask a lot of questions. You see, whether or not you cut across as annoying or lazy, just keep asking. There is always a helpline online, physically or offline, whenever it comes to problems in tech. You have Google, you have YouTube, you have so many ways to access help, either online or offline. So just keep asking. Our 6th tip is don't be afraid to go back. The feeling of going back to past lessons in a tutorial may make you feel you won't get the goal faster. But you should remember that your goal is to be competent. So, whatever you need to do to hit the competent goal, do it. Even if it means going back 10 hours in your lecture just to get it right. Our 7th tip is very important. You need to avoid comparison. Avoid comparison. It is key to success. You shouldn't compare yourself to someone who has been in the industry for 10 years. Come on. If you are looking to take longer to reach your goal or not to reach your goal at all, then you can go ahead with comparing yourself with other successful individuals. If not, ensure that other people's success is nothing but a motivation to you, knowing that the height you wish to attain is possible. And for our last tip, it's while hunting, look for startups. You might be wondering, why do I need to look for startups? When you're looking to work, your best bid might be on startup companies. So, while waiting, look for startups. This is because you would get a better chance to grow at a startup company than you may at an already long existing company. That's it, guys, on our helpful tips to help you get into the tech world. Remember to develop your passion. You need to be a person with a purpose and a desire to walk the path. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on all our social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Watch out for our next video. Bye.